Build a better life. Create a life you love. This is a quick thought from my personal transformation course. It is a unique and powerful course. And the lesson is build a better life. Create a life you love. So where does it all begin? Where do we start? It starts with us having a positive relationship with ourselves. Why? Because your positive relationship with yourself serves as the foundation for fulfilling your purpose and manifesting your personal destiny. Someone said, "You're the author of your own story." If you don't like where this chapter is going, it's okay to start a new one. You see, every aspect of our lives, including what we do, how we live, our relationships, and our spiritual and physical well-being, is a direct reflection of the relationship that we have with ourselves. It encompasses how we carry ourselves internally and externally, our perceptions, our beliefs, and self-connection. These are all important aspects to consider in building a life that we love. George Bernard Shaw says, life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. Now, to move forward in a positive and purposeful manner, it is crucial to be genuinely connected to our true selves. Now, I believe this. I believe that you genuinely desire to build a life that you love if, in fact, you are a rational thinking individual. It all begins with a powerful desire and a resolute decision to make it happen. See, if we want to positively change our lives, if we want to build a better life, if we want to create a life we love, it begins, with this powerful desire and resolute decision to make it happen. Desire is more than a mere wish or a longing. It is a deep, passionate yearning and craving for something. True desire transforms a simple wish into an intense longing and a compelling need. When you possess such a burning desire, you develop an inner commitment to do the necessary work and bring about positive, meaningful changes in your life. It is this true desire that propels you into action. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I drop another video. Thanks so much. Also, check out the business opportunity associated with my personal transformation course. You can grab the link in the description area of this video. Once again, thank you so much. You have a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.